customer base is so easy to interact with. It was a big group, 300 people in the audience, but it was like you were just talking to family.
It's great to be back in person with everyone and just hearing everyone share their stories and use cases and best practices with one another.
Meeting all of the Juvare support staff that I have talked to over the phone and email and text message forever, and never actually having seen them in person.
Meeting old friends, meeting people that I've never met before. I think we've added over 400 clients since the last user group meeting. Nothing takes the place of the opportunity to have human interaction and stand arm in arm and have conversations about kind of what motivates all of us.
I've had a chance to reconnect or connect with clients for the first time in person. I hadn't even thought about what that would feel like and what a big impact it would have on me and also with my colleagues.